This particular grooming session is for all who wants to start in the Salesforce or who wants to be the part of the Salesforce community. ये इसलिए नहीं है कि कोई प्रमोशन चल रही है या हमारा कुछ इसमें बेनिफिट है. दिस इज फॉर द गाइडेंस कि आपको प्रिपरेशन कैसे करनी है सेल्सफोर्स की. सो बेसिकली हो क्या रहा है मार्केट में. सबसे पहले तो वेरी क्लियर कि जॉब, सबसे पहला जो मन में क्वेश्चन आता है कि जॉब कैसे मिलेगी सर. तो मैं बहुत क्लियरली बता रहा हूँ सबको कि जॉब मार्केट अब फिर थोड़ा सा स्लो डाउन आ गया है सेल्सफोर्स में. दे आर प्रेफरिंग द एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट्स. तो अब एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट वही हो सकते हैं जिनके पास एक्सपीरियंस लेटर है. एक्सपीरियंस लेटर बनाया जा सकता है, पहले भी मैंने कह रहा हूँ, लेकिन एक्सपीरियंस लेटर अगर आप बना रहे हो, दिखा रहे हो, ऑलरेडी बहुत बच्चे एक्सपीरियंस लेवल उठा के घूम रहे हैं एंड उनको जॉब नहीं मिल रही है. द प्रॉब्लम हेयर इज जेन्युइन बंदों की जॉब नहीं मिल रही है कि उनका इतना एक्सपीरियंस होता ही नहीं है उस लेवल. अगर 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस उठा के आप घूम रहे हो और आपको उस लेवल की स्टडी आपने की नहीं है, तो कैसे आप एंटर कर जाओगे किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. दिस इज द वेरी लाइक लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन दैट केम अक्रॉस. अब यहाँ पे बच्चे मार खा जाते हैं और इंटरव्यू ढूंढते 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 थक जाते हैं और एंड में कहते हैं कि सेल्स फोर्स पे जॉब पॉसिबल नहीं है. सो बेसिकली पॉसिबल सब कुछ है, बट यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन कि आप किस किस चीज पे ज्यादा ध्यान देना है, किस पे नहीं ध्यान देना. हमारे हम ये ग्रूमिंग सेक्शन जो सेशन है वो हर मतलब संडे को रखते हैं बिकॉज वीकडेज पे हमारी क्लासेस होती हैं. एंड ये उन बच्चों के लिए अभी अभी मैंने ओपन कर दिया, पब्लिक कर दिया. इनमें काफी बच्चे जो ट्रेनिंग में नहीं है एंड जो बच्चे ऑलरेडी है या हैं मेरी ट्रेनिंग में, सभी पूछ सकते हैं वन बाय वन. प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ फॉर अ सेक. वो कोई भी जितने भी बच्चे हैं यहाँ पे सभी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं, लेकिन वन बाय वन. आई स्पीक योर नेम, यू कैन आस्क द क्वेश्चन. तो हम यहाँ पे 3 चीजें कवर करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि अगर आप बिगिनर हो, आपने सेल्सफोर्स सोचा है कि स्टार्ट करना है, तो या आप पढ़ रहे हो, सेल्फ स्टडी कर रहे हो, तो हाउ यू हैव टू मैनेज योर थिंग्स, हाउ हाउ यू हैव टू स्टडी सेल्फ स्टडी. क्योंकि तेजा जब मेरे पास आया था, ये ऑलरेडी काफी अच्छी सेल्फ स्टडी करके आया था, टू बी फ्रैंक. तो इसको सिर्फ ग्रूम किया गया है, उसके बाद इसको ऑफरिंग दी गई है, उसके बाद ये प्लेस हो गया. एंड मुझे याद है जब मैंने इसको कहा था कि तेजा लेट्स टेक अ 6.5 लाख पैकेज, तो ही सेड नो रोहित, आई वांट टू टेक 9 to 10 लाख पैकेज. सो दैट इज द स्पिरिट यू वांट. एवरीबडी वांट दैट स्पिरिट. मैं चाहता हूं कि हर बंदा यही सोचे कि उसको 10 लाख वाला माइलस्टोन छूना है. वो छूना कैसे है, दैट वी विल डिस्कस हियर. स्टडी कैसे करनी है, इंटरव्यू कैसे क्रैक करना है, एंड हाउ ही gathered all the information and performed better in the interview. This is what we are going to discuss here. Teja, go ahead and take this lecture. So it's all yours. So guys, stay on mute. Only Teja will be on audio. So Teja, go ahead.
Thanks, Rohit. Thanks for letting me join in this group. Firstly, I want to thank you, Rohit, because like you are there right from the start of this interview preparation and all. I have learned many things from Google, but still like I'm confused like how to proceed to interview, like what should I answer in interview about experience and all. That guidance and all, like I'm very thankful for you. Coming to my preparation strategy, firstly, I'm working in an MNC company, which I am not satisfied with my current technology. So I got to know about Salesforce from my friend. Then it's been like 3.5 to 4 months, wherein like put like complete effort into it. And like everybody, like any fresher or anyone who gets to know about Salesforce, they'll learn from Trailhead, YouTube, all this. Same way I have done this. And not just limiting to myself to one YouTube channel or one lecture, something like that. So I have gone through like many YouTube channels, like wherein I can get like extra point or something. And then I watched like plenty of interview series videos will be there, right? So I have watched those. And then if I am not aware of any question, I used to make a note of that. That helped me a lot. If I don't know something about any topic or any question, I used to just Google it, go to developer.salesforce.com guide, practice that. mostly in developers.salesforce.com we'll have like theoretical knowledge only, and we don't have like coding experience and all. That thing, like I did googling all this, I tried by my own. If I am stuck somewhere, I used to refer to my friends. Later point, if I don't know anything, like I used to ask Rohit, like, what is this, any topic or anything.
Stay on mute.
Coming
Pooja, please stay on mute.
coming to interview experience, uh, I've appeared to 2 to 3 interviews, wherein in first interview I have asked for 100% hike, and then it was like very tough. I didn't expect that much depth in interview. So initially in first interview, like I was even panicked, not sure about like how interview will be for experienced students and all. I was a bit disappointed because I have practiced a lot and then I didn't do it well. But what I gained from that interview is what I have made a note of all those questions, discussed with Rohit, went to Google, saw everything. For second interview, I have prepared well. Even that one, I was stuck in coding and all. So I didn't give up there. I made note of all these things. And then in third interview, what I did was like I went through job description well, and then I prepared for the topic only, wherein they have written strong in Aura components, good to have LWC components knowledge and all. So I practiced that. I prepared for it, which like I've given my best, and then I got selected. This was my interview strategy, wherein you don't know something, you try to make a note of it, try googling it. If you could not find in Google, go to your lecture or uh, someone like Rohit, like who has good experience. You can make note of them and then clarify your doubt. And one more thing, what I did apart from this is like we all use social media, right? Instagram, Facebook, all this. Even there, I used to follow a few pages related to Salesforce in Telegram and Instagram, all this. Wherein when you're just doing for like at least 1 hour, we spend on it, and we get to know something from there as well. Like in my interview, that helped me in my interview as well, wherein I got 3 to 4 questions from these social media pages only. And I recommend everyone to join in Telegram. There will be few groups related to Salesforce groups, wherein you get to know a lot from a lot from those groups. Yeah, that's it, Rohit.
Thanks, Teja. So the Teja, the question here is, so we have like, as you know, like the lower milestone is the lowest, like you can say the salary point is 6 lakh, 5 lakh. So how you reached from 6 to 10? What is your like what is your strength in that? Like how you made yourself reach to that particular milestone? What is the difference between the 6 lakh and hum to bahut baar, like very many time we told on the YouTube, on the interview, everything, that you can reach up to the 10 lakh by this process, but we want to listen from you how you get to know, okay, now I'm prepared for the 6 to 7 lakh, but I have to reach to 10 lakh. So what is that particular journey? What all things you have covered in that, and what helps you out in, like, I think you got a 3 tech rounds, right? So what helped you
Correct. Yeah.
out to overcome that situation? Because everybody here is quite like wants a big bash salary bag, but to reach that particular point, you need to have something in your pocket, correct? So what are those things that you have, and how you prepared for it?
Like I said, Rohit, in first interview, I was not fully prepared, and then I was expecting for higher package like 9, 10. Initially, even recruiters will understand, right? If you're asking for a higher package, they need something from you. They'll expect more from you, and I was not prepared for it. After first interview experience, rather than like demotivating myself, I thought, okay, if you're asking for a higher package, interviewers also will expect more from you. And then rather than just knowing like what is this, like just theoretical knowledge, I practice like each and every topic from interview perspective,
Okay.
rather than just knowing like in interview usually they ask like basic questions like what is difference between workflow and process builder. Rather than knowing those differences, what exactly is process builder, what each method will do, what each task will do, like we have to like go in depth, practice.
Correct. And what about the project? So there is a lot of dilemma in the social media and YouTube. You will not get a job if you're not
Yeah, yeah.
practicing. So like you did a project with me, like, and I shout a lot on your face.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
what you are doing? You don't know how to make the objects. You don't know how to make the relationships. How you're gonna deal? So like it's fine. Like that's a journey. That's actually a journey. That's a real journey that we have to face.
Actually, that project what I did with you helped me a lot, Rohit. Wherein there were few scenario based in my second technical interview. I have like 30 to 35 scenario based questions only, not even one basic question or not even one related to coding.
Mhm.
Everything from Sales Cloud and Service Cloud, like 30 to 35 scenario based questions. Even I am not sure if they are correct or not. Like I have practiced with you that project and then we discussed few scenarios, right? I guess that helped me a lot.
Okay.
After our project is done, later I realized, okay, this theoretical knowledge is not sufficient to crack interviews. We need to practice more, like get in details of each point.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how it is. So like if somebody has any question they can ask. So it is pretty much
uh,
all, but yeah, anything. Yeah, tell me, go ahead.
yeah, and one more thing, Rose, like rather than just focusing more on admin part, interviewers are looking for Aura and LWC.
Yeah.
And you have a LWC knowledge, not depth, not in depth, but at least basic knowledge of LWC and good in Aura, definitely we can crack interview and then we can expect higher packages. My third technical is purely related to Aura components. And we had one or two sessions related to Aura, right?
Yeah. So
Uh,
Teja, I just had a meeting with my manager today. And the HR was also in that meeting. I asked her, so why you are like, what is the consideration towards the Lightning Aura components and web components, especially on this particular two topics? So, and how you are thinking, how you're gonna recruit it, and how, what all things are there. So I personally had a communication with the tech team and the HR team. So HR team don't have that views. The HR को जब तक बताओगे नहीं आपको क्या नहीं आता क्या आता है, they will not get to know and they are not aware of the technical term. Of course, the interviews guys are clear.
तुम सिर्फ एग्जाम निकालोगे ना.
So interview guys are pretty clear that sir, if there is a LWC and Aura, functionality in both the things are same. There are different between tags, different between JS, how you're writing and how you're pushing things out. So if you know any one of them, they will cope up with you and you will reach that milestone. So दो चीजें हैं, one is integration और one is LWC. दोनों में से एक चीज perfect कर लो, you will get that milestone. Second to third चीज main है business scenarios and the conditions that they are going to answer. How you can answer that with the practicing of project, no doubt. Second, you need to know the basics very clearly. Every time when I'm making people understanding things, I'm asking questions from the ground level. So that is how you have to do. So okay, it was good. So if somebody has question, they can ask one by one, not everyone. I'll if anybody has question, they can just raise their hand or they can type on the chat. Then I'll name and we will take your questions. Yes, you can type and on the chat and tell me if you want to ask any question. Okay, so it's very popular question, Teja, for you. On the daily basis, how many hours you use to spend time for Salesforce? This is from Rohit Rathod, Pune. Teja.
yeah, Rohit, like before first interview, I used to spend like 1.5 2 hours. I thought like learning just topics, not in depth, just learning basics of each topic, I thought that would be sufficient. But after first interview, I used to spend like 3.5 to 4 hours.
So this is the minimum time scale that you need to spend for Salesforce. मैं सबको कहता हूँ जो मुझे फोन करता है कि 3 से 4 घंटे आपके पास पढ़ने के लिए हैं, अगर हैं तो तब मैं आपको एनरोल करूंगा, अदरवाइज मैं एनरोल नहीं करूंगा, बिकॉज दैट्स अ टाइम वेस्ट. एंड डोंट आस्क पर्सनल क्वेश्चन प्लीज एवरीबody, just ask the professional question. Yeah, anything else? You can unmute yourself if you want to ask anything. आप unmute कर सकते हो और पूछ सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. कोई किसी का
Teja,
माइक नहीं चल रहा है, you can chat. Yeah, Rohit.
what I was trying to ask Rohit sir, basically Teja was doing job previously as well, right?
Yeah, he was in non-technical job,
Okay.
not like technical, but not a coding job.
Okay.
Yeah.
Exactly. I was trying to
Right.
relate my
Support related job,
Support related job.
not
Okay.
technical.
Yeah. Anything else? Anyone? When
Hi,
will-
Rohit and Teja.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Hi, Teja. First of all, congratulations.
Yeah, thanks, Praveen.
It's really help us the people who are completely stopped studying years back and now they are trying to do something. It's really helps us and support us and it's a show the way how to reach the goal. Really, you explained very well. And actually, what is my question is, I'm completely from a non-technical background, and how we can do well in the interview. You said like make a note and everything, right? But still, we have a doubt of how they will ask the questions and in where the particular things we cannot reach. Like you are a non-technical guy, then where you struggled in which points you struggled, and how you overcome that struggles.
Okay, Praveen. To answer this question, firstly, what I used to what I did to prepare for interviews, just go to YouTube and then just type in Salesforce mock interview questions, wherein you'll have like plenty of mock interviews. You can go through them, and 60 to 70% of them will be like similar questions. Like whatever you type in Google as well, you get first question is what is difference between profile versus role, or workflow versus process builder. What do you call all these basic questions, and then from each mock interview you will get at least like 3 to 4 questions wherein you will be stuck or you haven't come across that. Those questions, if you make note and then go in depth of those topics, definitely that would help. And I have done the same thing. And I would say in first and second interview, why I struggled was I was not that good in coding. I am not saying that I'm not good, but I haven't practiced much. I thought like these basic questions will be sufficient to crack interview, but which was that was not the issue here. You need to go in deep. Even in interviews, they'll not ask in triggers or in batch classes, they'll not ask you to write code, or even if they ask you to write, they'll ask like basic questions like just on creation of account you need to create an related contact. These basic questions, they'll know like if you have at least knowledge or not. That's it. And then you have to, if they're asking about triggers, they'll definitely ask like difference between before and after, and then they'll give you a scenario and they'll ask like what triggered what event to use and why do you use, not just blindly telling before event or after event. They'll ask like reason behind it. If you are good in those basics, I guess definitely we can crack that. That's what I have done.
And last question, any suggestion? There are two people. One type is they don't know anything or they don't know the answer, and another person they know the answer but they don't know how to express it. Do you have any suggestion to that people?
He's from Hyderabad. Praveen ji.
Yes.
He's from Hyderabad. He is under training, Teja. So basically, the problem here is there are some guys, no, like who can't speak in the interview. So he's from one of
Right.
them. So he don't even
They
speak.
know the answer and they know the procedure, but one thing is they don't know how to express and how to explain.
I have an answer for this.
Yeah, you can
Do you
help
have
us.
mirror in at your home?
Yeah. Explain yourself first.
Up, stand in front of mirror, choose 5 questions, speak in front of mirror. You will able to speak with anyone. The only
Yeah,
thing
or
that
else
you have is you are not speaking to people, you are not expressing to people. That is why you are unable to answer.
Right.
yeah, I'll make note of these questions, right? First, like practice it yourself so that you'll be able to do it well in interview as well.
First of all, your logic should be clear to speak,
Correct.
So one more question, guys who just started, who just came, guys, already session is done. It is just 5-10 minute session. So this is question answers going on. So many people are typing when it will start. It already started and we already told everything. So it will be on YouTube after some time. So please don't tell your company names, don't give your personal information. So this is just a discussion session. So okay, so the next is Kusum, what is this question? On which part of you should focus on, development part or admin part? Both part. Kusum, are you there?
Hi. Yes. Yeah. Hi, Rohit. Hi, everyone.
Do you really want me to answer this?
No, actually, Rohit, the thing is, last night I go through some questions on Google. So there is like a question is basically from the theoretical part, and I was like
No,
just
why you
blank.
are asking this question? I don't understand. I already answered this question 100,000 times, not only on YouTube, on your face also. Why? How dare you answer this question? How dare you question me this? Like a development part or admin part?
I just,
No, I don't want to answer this question on your face. Okay.
okay.
Already
Okay.
told you many times, everybody, that there is no admin part or development part. Don't ये यूट्यूबर्स ये सोशल मीडिया में जो फैला रखा है ना कि go for admin, no need to write a code, you will not get a job. You will not get a job. You are expecting 10 lakh 20 lakh package, you are not doing development. Is this make sense? No, it doesn't make sense. Nobody is gonna like, you are just judge yourself. Like if you are judging that you don't want to do the code, don't come into the Salesforce, man. So if there is a okay. Understood. So
Yeah, hi Rohit.
don't question me this question. I am very angry with Kusum. Like now, I'll talk to you after this. Yeah.
Not about that, Rohit. I think so. I just portrayed a question another way, but okay, fine. I'm sorry if you like angry on me for that.
Yeah. So give me your exact question. What do you want to ask?
Okay, no issues. I'll ask you
Okay.
later on.
Okay.
But yes, it's like because I just go through some questions last night and I was just blank, so that's why I asked this question because
No, why you're blank?
because there's like some theoretical question.
Why you're going for
I
question?
hardly
We haven't
because I
even
just
covered
want
yet.
to check my knowledge, how much I know
No
about
need to
sales.
check knowledge. With 2 classes, you can't check your knowledge. He's my student, guys. She's asking silly question. Go ahead. Anyone else?
Okay. So on this
Yeah.
topic, because I had even 2 interviews for different MNCs and only from admin part. So I got reject from both companies by doing that admin part only. So now I'm looking to start like again and doing like I want to complete that development part as well, because I realize that without the both side we can't like get a job in Salesforce.
That
So
is
that is my understanding.
that is truth,
Yeah.
I told many times and मैं समझ गया आपकी बात कुसुम, आपकी बात भी समझ गया, आपकी बात भी समझ गया. आप जज करते हो बिना पढ़े अपने आप को. पहले पढ़ तो लो सब कुछ, फिर आप क्वेश्चन देखने लग जाते हो. व्हाई यू आर लुकिंग आफ्टर क्वेश्चन इफ यू हैवंट कवर्ड दैट टॉपिक? वो पैनिक सिचुएशन क्रिएट कर देता है आपके माइंड में कि आपको कुछ आता नहीं है. दैट इज व्हाट हैपनिंग विद मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. एंड उसके बाद हम पढ़ना बंद कर देते हैं. क्या ऐसा हो सकता है कि 9th क्लास में आप पढ़ रहे हो और 10th क्लास की बुक्स के क्वेश्चन देख रहे हो? नो, राइट? वो चीजें आप स्टार्ट कर देते हो। डोंट डू लाइक दिस। पहले जर्नी कंप्लीट करो, जर्नी कंप्लीट करके क्वेश्चन देखो, उसके बाद इंटरव्यूज में जाओ, एक्सपीरियंस करो कि इंटरव्यूज में रिजेक्शन आ क्यों रही है आपकी। अगर रिजेक्शन आ रही है, एक्सपीरियंस करो उसमें कौन से क्वेश्चन अलग हैं, वो क्वेश्चंस को नोट करो। अगर आपको कोडिंग नहीं लिखनी आ रही ऑन द स्पॉट, तो कोडिंग कॉपी पे लिखो सबसे पहले, डोंट राइट इट ऑन द पीसी, कभी कोड नहीं लिख पाओगे। उसके बाद पीसी पे ट्राई करो, फिर 3 दिन बाद वही सेम कोड लिखोगे, तकलीफ आएगी, दिक्कत आएगी। तो प्रिपेयर लाइक अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, नॉट लाइक अ कंप्यूटर। यू आर नॉट अ कंप्यूटर। आपकी कितनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, आपकी कितनी कैपेबिलिटी है, वो आपको पता, आपके रिश्तेदार को नहीं पता। अंडरस्टूड। और सिलेबस कंप्लीट करने से पहले कभी क्वेश्चन नहीं देखने किसी को भी, कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे, आगे पढ़ नहीं पाओगे। एनी अदर क्वेश्चन, एनीवन? वी हैव 7 minutes left. Yeah.
Hi Teja, congrats. I just want to ask, like, how was your experience when you were doing your first project? Like, was it clicking? How to do things? What we have to do?
That is a good question.
Yeah. Hi Himanshu, thank you. When I'm doing first project, that was with Rohit only. Actually, Rohit knew like how much I suffered. Like even basic questions also. Like I'm good in theoretical, but I haven't implemented it. I'm stuck there. Wherein like Rohit used to scold me, used to motivate me, used to tell me like I'm very disappointed with you, knowing I thought you have knowledge, but you should practice more. Like those kind of encouragement, I took it in a positive way, so that like I have practiced more from there onwards. Rohit, you want to add anything to it?
Like,
When we are at,
actually he's on the same stage, Teja. So I think it was your first class. I scrolled you badly. This is what you learned.
Yeah.
So this is what I remember that. So ये एक दिन का खेल नहीं है कि he got 10 lakh package. First of all, everybody, it took him almost, after training, almost 40 days, right, Teja? 40
Yeah,
days.
correct.
45 days. So he completed my batch in my end. So
Yeah,
it's
man.
June gone, July gone. So now he got the package. So it took him long, but he covered it nicely. और ऑन द अदर हैंड, कोई भी नई चीज सीखते हो, कोड सीखते हो या प्रोजेक्ट करते हो, why is asking this question? I am making him doing small, like this, he is also my student, making him doing some small project. So they are unable to answer the relationships. It is very obvious you will not get to know how to maintain the relationship between the object, because business को समझ के software बनाना is not a small thing. First of all, that is why you need to understand the business, you need to understand the nature of the business. उसके बाद you have to go through the codes or a technical part. So it took time. Give yourself a time, give your brain a time, explore more. This is the only answer. Or I will scroll to my future student, my present student. This is my nature, this is how I teach. I don't care. Okay, anything else, Himanshu?
no, thanks.
Okay. Anything else, anyone? So many questions. Okay.
I have lots of questions, but I'll ask you, Rohit.
Nah. Go ahead. We still have 2-3 minutes. Go ahead. I'm just. No.
Thank you.
Go ahead if you have any question. Every question is stupid for me. Even you are asking brilliant question, that is also stupid for me. Go ahead. Okay.
No, Rohit, thank you.
Okay. No problem. Anyone else?
Yeah, hi.
Yes.
हाँ, आई एम तरुण और बेसिकली मैं इलेक्ट्रिकल बैकग्राउंड से हूँ और मुझे बस सी आती है और मुझे सेल्सफोर्स में एंटर करना है, तो फिर कैसे करना पड़ेगा, क्या पढ़ना पड़ेगा?
इलेक्ट्रिकल बैकग्राउंड से हो?
हाँ, इलेक्ट्रिकल में इंजीनियरिंग की।
मैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से हूँ।
Okay.
पहले जावा
तो मुझे बस
पहले जावा करो, फिर एडमिन करो, फिर डेवलपमेंट, फिर करो, हो जाएगा।
तो डायरेक्ट सेल्सफोर्स में सीखनी, पहले जावा सीखनी पड़ेगी?
पहले जावा सीखनी पड़ेगी।
ओके।
कोई भी सेल्सफोर्स में एंट्री करना चाहता है, मतलब स्टार्टिंग है, तो पहले अच्छे से जावा कर लो, बेटर है, उसकी प्रैक्टिस करो, बिकॉज इंटरव्यू में 99 100% श्योरिटी है कि ट्रिगर्स असिंक्रोनस या डेवलपमेंट के पार्ट पूछे जाएंगे. ओके, एनीवन एल्स? Anyone else? Hello. Okay, I think we are done with the questions. So we'll wrap it up right away. So if you have any question, you can text me out, guys. No issues. And Teja, thanks for your time. Have a graceful journey ahead. And sure, you will touch the milestone of 12 lakh or 13 lakh, 15 lakh within upcoming days. I'm expecting one more offer letter from your side. So keep learning, and I will provide you like this placement to everyone, not only to Teja. So surely within upcoming days we will show you one more offer with our students. So okay guys, if you have any question, you can text me out, no issues. So today is Sunday, by Monday or Tuesday I'll answer it to my students. So good luck, keep learning. Thanks a lot guys. Thank you, Teja.
Yeah, thanks, Rohit. Thank you.
Thank you.
All the best, guys.
Thank you.
Okay guys, have a nice day, have a nice weekend, bye.